Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Chargerito phone charger. It comes in 3 different flavors: Lightning, Micro USB, and USB-C, and you can get it on Amazon. I'll put some links in the description if you're interested. The Lightning version is currently slightly more expensive, probably because they needed to get the certifications or whatever, so do keep that in mind. The one I have is the Lightning version, and it works with iPhone 5 or newer. What's cool about the Chargerito is that all you need to charge your phone is a wall outlet. You don't need to carry a separate charging cable with you. Everything is included in this tiny little thing. All 3 versions of the Chargerito works the same. You just unfold it, plug it into an outlet, and plop your phone right on. Sorry for how my iPhone looks at the moment. I just bought a new screen protector on Amazon, so I'll fix it soon. Anyways, it's that simple to set up and put away. You can even charge your AirPods with the Chargerito if you're really in a pinch. The Lightning version can also charge an iPad, but it's kind of iffy. I'm assuming it's pretty much the same thing when you charge tablets with the Chargerito in general. You need a super tight wall outlet so that the Chargerito can support the tablet's weight. If the outlet is too loose, the charger and your tablet will just fall off. Also, the Chargerito charges at the same output as a regular iPhone charging brick, so your iPad will charge noticeably slower. So I don't really recommend charging your tablets with the Chargerito even though you can. The build quality is mostly plastic, but that's probably what helps keep the whole thing really light. You can slip the Chargerito in your pocket and forget about it until you need it. Personally, I don't really mind if something is a little bit more heavier in exchange for a better build quality, but I think that the weight will be more noticeable for other people. There is also a little keychain attachment that you can use to clip onto something like your keys. The Chargerito is really convenient to have, but there are a couple of sacrifices that you have to make. Unlike charging your phone with a cable, the Chargerito is basically a dock that's fixed on a power outlet, so you can't really move it anywhere. Maybe that's not such a bad thing because you'll have more time to do something else instead of being on your phone. The build quality also isn't the best, but I understand why they did what they did. The other thing is that it's not compatible with all cases, at least in my experience with an iPhone. I had 2 different cases that I was using with my iPhone 8 Plus, but both of them had too small of a charging port cutout. You will need to find a case that has a larger opening for the charging port, or use no case at all. Overall, the Chargerito is definitely worth the money. If you don't want to carry around an external battery or have to deal with cables, the Chargerito is for you. It's a great addition to your everyday carry, and it's definitely going to be in my arsenal. It's a small, all-in-one solution to charging your phone. Anyways, I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. That was my review of the Chargerito. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, visit my social media links in the description and follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!